Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. So I just want to do this video, and this is going to be a review of this FJC visual red dye O-ring conditioners R134a. So basically this is a detector of leaks for your AC system, and I just want to tell you guys that if you guys are looking for something that does not, where you don't need to use a UV light to spot a leak, the first time I used this, I was absolutely amazed at how fast I spotted a leak on my AC system. Granted, it was coming from the valve, but I was seeing the red dye coming from the valve itself. All right, I have UV detectors. I have UV glasses, the yellow UV glasses. I have the low UV flashlights. I've used the UV kits, and I gotta tell you, those are not the easiest thing as far as spotting where the leak is. I've always had some kind of issues with spotting leaks with using UV lights, UV dye, and I was looking for something that I could spot it immediately right off the bat. And you know, I used this, and I was absolutely amazed by it. I picked this up from AutoZone and used it once, and I was like, okay, I gotta get more of this stuff because you know, I gotta get more of this stuff because this works. This 100% works without having to do any kind of, you know, anything else besides just popping it in and then seeing where the red dye is. You know, so if you guys are looking for something where you guys don't actually need to use UV lights and you know, wear UV glasses, this is definitely the thing to get. Unfortunately, I've looked everywhere for some like this. I even went back to AutoZone a couple of times, asked them about it. They carried this like one time. The time I was there, they carried this like one time, and I've been to a bunch of AutoZones and a bunch of other advanced auto parts places. Have not seen this in stock you know, since I bought this that one time. So I had to go to Amazon, I had to go to eBay, and they have this in stock on eBay and Amazon. So if you guys are looking for this, for something that is simple, that is easy, that you know, you guys can see the result immediately without having to use anything else, definitely check this out. I've included a link, and definitely look for this, guys. All right, it works. All right, it works. It's simple, you know, it's visual, you guys. It's visual meaning that, you know, it's visual without needing anything else to see what the leak is. Anyway, if you guys have any comments, please leave a comment in the comment section. If you guys have used this, definitely leave, you know, a comment for that. Any questions, leave a comment for that. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up and all that good stuff. All right, guys, take care.